All right, today, guys, this is for Thursday, August 27th. We'll be talking about landforms. So, bell ringer, just create a list of landforms that you can think of. Um, an example of a landform would be mountains. Landforms are shapes on the planet's surface. So, Earth's surface is covered by many different landforms: hills, mountains, valleys, plains, islands, peninsulas, water that we've talked about, fresh water, ocean water, all of this stuff be landforms. And these landforms have been influenced by forces below Earth's surface. So forces below Earth's surface build up our landforms. The theory of plate tectonics suggests that Earth's surface is divided into a dozen or so slow-moving plates, or pieces of Earth's crust. The movement of continents can occur through continental drift. Okay, continental drift we'll talk about here in a little bit. Something called Pangea. When plates collide, so when plates are coming together and they're colliding, they form mountain ranges. Okay, so they collide, mountain ranges. When plates separate, okay, lava or magma that reaches Earth's surface will come out. And then when plates slide, so just like a sudden jerk or slide, can cause earthquakes, which are sudden violent movements of Earth's crust. The world before continental drift looked something like this. Okay, so it's known as Pangea. It's basically when all of the continents were together as one landmass. For those of you who won't be here for this, I'll post that YouTube video that we're going to watch about Pangea. It's basically just a what if the continents never separated type of video that we'll watch in class. There are forces on the planet's surface that shape Earth's landforms as well, not just forces below. Those forces are weathering, which is a process by which rock is broken down into smaller pieces, and then erosion, so a movement of sediment from one location to another. Wind, ice, and water can cause erosion. Then I just want you to think about this. How can landforms influence life? Is it easier to live near harsher landforms today than it was in the past? Why or why not? So those are just a couple of questions that we will talk about in class and have a discussion about. And then as far as work for the day, we'll be doing a worksheet on different types of landforms. Okay, hope everybody has a good Thursday.